Hey, hello, hi everyone. Myself Fareen Khatun, and you're watching 360 Academy. This video is especially about the review of recently happened November 2020 exam CSIR Net Life Sciences by NTA. It was an online computer based exam, so I was also appeared in this exam, so I'm adding my experience too and going to tell you about what kind of question comes. There was a easy or a hard paper and difficulty level basically. So let's begin. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the how much of the difficulty level so that you can prepare yourself for the 2021, which are just in few months going to be happen. So the I'm not saying that it was a moderate level of exam because it was not that much easy or not that much hard, so that no one can no one can easily tolerate it. So it was like a moderate exam. There was a PYQs from the selected areas question comes and can solve. Not, yeah, it was moderate. So secondly, I'm going to tell you about by unit wise how was the exam. So I am starting from unit 1. Unit 1 is our biochemistry. There was a question from the amino acids in section C and section B also. And amino acid, like there was a direct question from the triosine. There are the statement wise question like correct, incorrect kind of. Delta G comes not this time by numerical based, but like spontaneous, non-spontaneous. Like statement wise question comes from the delta G. Yeah. And there was pH based questions. This was also statement based. Enzyme kinetics, I guess this was also match the following was there. And kind of statement based question maximum comes from this unit. Yeah. There was a question from also protein folding. I'm going to telling about the unit 2 right now. And there was a question from like CDK, checkpoints, cell cycle, cell signaling. So such kind of question come. And there was a one point I'm going to tell you about. There was a mixing of the units, like, yeah, there is a plant physiology topic, and they are connecting it by cell signaling. Then the mixing of the unit and such kind of question come in a form of statements: correct, incorrect, correct, incorrect. Yeah, right. This kind of question. There was a question from GPCR also, T cell and B cell from immunology. And if you are talking me about developmental biology, this unit 5, there was a question from sea urchins, Drosophila, as the such kind of questions which are coming from when we check out previous year question papers. So it was like that kind of. If you have solved the PYQs, then you can easily tackle this because some question are directly from the PYQs. Now I'm going to tell you about unit 6, that is our plant physiology. I have done plant physiology, and if anybody have done plant physiology, there was a maximum questions actually. Yeah, there was a good and easy questions. And so you can select this if you are strong in plant physiology. This is good point for you. There was a question from second metabolites, autogamy, yeah, self pollination, auxin, cytokinin. Such kind of question comes. That was not that much tough, but it was easy. So next unit, that is our animal physiology. There was a question from the urination, excretory, our excretory system, hormone imbalance. So such kind of question from animal physiology. Then we have the unit our genetics. There is a question comes from statement based, and a question also from there our pedigree analysis, cross pollination, sorry, cross. There's a our we know the ratio based questions. And population genetics, yeah, they have the statement wise and the match the following also. There was some question from our unit 9, that is diversity. Most of the student doesn't select this unit. I'm good in taxonomy, so I have selected it. and there was an easy question from come. Most of the question are the match the following type, like you have the disease and you have the fungi, you have to match. If you find a single one, you can match all this. So in this particular unit, most of the question are the kind of match the followings in this exam. And now I'm going to talking about unit 10, which is from this unit question are mostly population control. There was a statement wise and some kind of a match the following also, and graphical also question was there. The question is a little bit, if you study this unit, you can easily tackle this, and it was not that much tough to tackle. There was in long in length, but easy to solve actually. If you understand the question, you can solve it. Now next, our ecology. Ecology may say, actually we have the question of statement wise. Most of the question, like you have the this species and experimental based. Yeah, experimental based I say. You have species based, you have this area selection. So such kind of, now these questions are really looking by long in length, but really isn't solve. When you are going to read and understand it, you can easily solve it. Next, we have unit 11. So it have question comes natural selection from genetic drift, and we have graphical questions from this unit. Most of the question are match the following. Yeah, some are statement wise, like correct incorrect. If you know the statement correctly, you can go for it. Now we have, I'm conducting the selecting two last units 12 and 13 together. In this unit, the vaccines, uh, our FRAP technique, and spectrography and macroscopy counts. Now I'm just taking roughly, because now very soon NTA will release the answer key and the question paper. You can see analysis correctly, thoroughly. Those have appeared in this exam. This is for you, and those haven't, not all all for those people also. Those are appearing, want to appear or going to appear in 2021 CSIR. They can check these points by their key points, because the question repeat thoroughly. Okay, a question will repeat. I am going to telling you about the strategy, or what kind of preparation you can start from December. So subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell icon, so that you can update yourself when I upload any video. Please share it with, and if you find it very useful, then please like.